In this video, we will start new chapter arithmetic progression. In this chapter, we will discuss what is arithmetic progression, the nth term of an AP and the sum of n terms of an AP. Now, what is arithmetic progression? For this, we will write some sequences 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Here first term T1 is 2, T2 is 4, T3 is 6 and T4 is 8. The difference between two terms 4 minus 2 is 2. Here difference is 6 minus 4 is 2. Here difference is 8 minus 6 is 2. So the difference is constant. Next sequence is 100, 70, 40, 10. In this sequence, difference between two terms is 70 minus 100 is minus 30. Here difference 40 minus 70 equals to minus 30. Here difference is minus 30. So the difference between two terms is constant. If the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then it is called common difference and it is denoted by D. So here D equals to 2 and here common difference D equals to minus 30. Therefore, if the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then the sequence is known as arithmetic progression. The first term of sequence is denoted by letter A. Here we get the second term, next term by adding the common difference in previous term. Now if first term is A and common difference is D, then T1 equals to A. T2 means next term equals to A plus D. T3 equals to second term A plus D plus common difference D equals to A plus 2D. Fourth term equals to T4 equals to A plus 3D. First term A, second A plus D, third term A plus 2D and fourth term A plus 3D. Now the AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Now we will find the formula for nth term of an AP. In an AP, T1, T2, T3 and so on. Here first term is A and common difference is D. So first term T1 equals to A. T2 equals to second term A plus common difference D. T3 equals to A plus 2D. We can write this A plus 2 minus 1 D. Coefficient of D is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Here we can write A plus 3 minus 1 D. Like this we write Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. You observe here in T2, for T2 we write A plus 2 minus 1D. For T3 term we write A plus 3 minus 1D. Therefore for Tn we write A plus n minus 1D. Using this formula we can find any term in the AP. For example, find 58th term of the AP 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. Here A equals to 5 and common difference D equals to 8 minus 5 is 3. Now Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 D. T50 equals to A is 5 plus n minus 1 is 50 minus 1 into D is 3 equals to 5 plus 50 minus 1, 49 into 3 equals to 5 plus 49 into 3 is 147. Therefore T50 equals to 5 plus 147 is 152. Now we derive the formula for sum of first n terms of an AP. AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Here first term is A and common difference is D. The sum of first n terms is written as Sn. So Sn equals to sum of these terms A plus D plus A plus n minus 2D plus A plus n minus 1D. This is the previous term of A plus n minus 1D. Now reverse and rewrite this expression again. Sn equals to, we write this term first, A plus n minus 1D. Then this term A plus n minus 2D plus we write this A plus D plus A. Now on adding this we get Sn plus Sn, 2Sn equals to, we add these two terms A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1D as it is. Now we add these two terms plus A plus A, 2A plus D plus n minus 2D plus add these two terms A plus A, 2A plus this n minus 2D plus D plus add these two terms. Add these two terms A plus A, 2A plus n minus 1D. Now write 2A plus n minus 1D plus, if we solve this we get 2A plus D plus n into D and D minus 2D. 2A D minus 2D means minus D plus ND equals to 2A minus D कॉमन निकला plus D कॉमन निकला, फिर n minus 1. Value of this bracket is 2A plus n minus 1D plus value of this bracket is 2A plus n minus 1D plus, if we solve this bracket we get 2A plus n minus 1D. Write this bracket as it is up to n term. So 2Sn equals to 2A plus n minus 1D into n times है इसलिए, therefore Sn equals to n by 2 इधर जाएगा into 2A plus n minus 1D. This is the formula for to find the sum of first n term of AP. Now using this formula, find the sum of first 100 term of AP. AP is 14, 16, 18 and so on. Here A equals to 14, D equals to 16 minus 14, 2 and N equals to 100. Our formula is Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now S100 equals to 100 upon 2, 2 into 14 plus 100 minus 1 into D is 2. 100 upon 2 is 50, 14 into 2 28 plus 100 minus 1 is 99 into 2 equals to 50 into 28 plus 99, 9 into 2 is 198 equals to 50 into 28 plus 198 is 226. Therefore, S100 equals to 50 into 226 is 1300. Therefore, sum of first 100 term is 11300. We will find one more formula for sum of first n numbers. So Sn equals to n by 2. We write 2a as a plus n minus 1 into D equals to n by 2 a plus this is Tn equals to n by 2 Sn equals to sum of first n term equals to n by 2. A is first term plus last term. We can use this formula to find the sum of first n. In this chapter, you have to remember only these two formulas. Formula for nth term of an AP, Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into D, and the formula for sum of first n term of an AP, Sn equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. In next video, we will solve the problems of arithmetic progression.